Hello friends, my name is Hrithwik. I am a student in Bangalore Defense Academy. Recently, I cleared the INET examination which is conducted by the Indian Navy. So in this video, I just want to share you my experience with Bangalore Defense Academy and the strategies and plans which I followed to clear my examination. So starting from the examination point of view, INET is basically consisting of 100 questions and 4 sections. So each section is containing 25 questions and English is one of the section in that examination. So 1 year before, when I joining the academy in 2019, I was a weak candidate in the English, and the Arun sir, one of the main staff of Bangalore Defense Academy, suggested me to read out the Hindu newspaper in daily basis and make out the notes from the editorial column. So I just obeyed the instruction which is given by the Arun sir, and within few months I can see the result that I am improving my vocabulary as well as the communication skills. And for the other parts, he used to give us a lot of question paper as a practice sets, and we used to practice as a team and as a individual, and in the end there will be a discussion regarding the question paper, which is very helpful for clearing the doubts. So coming to the next part, that is reasoning, is the part in the INET, and the reasoning is consisting of verbal and non-verbal questions. So I would suggest you to practice the questions more and more in reasoning, because this is a section which is easier and you can score better with more practice. So the same thing we practiced in the academy with group and as an individual, and there will be a discussion regarding the question paper in the end. And the third section is general science, which is very important section for INET, and this is consisting of physics, chemistry, biology and environmental science. So being a science graduate, it was my cup of tea. Like, I was strong in my science section, so there is no risk for the scoring this subject. But if you are a weak candidate in the science, I would like to suggest start from the NCERT books from 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th and 12th classes, which is very useful. So once you completed the NCERT books, go for the higher books, so that will be better for your preparation, and make out the notes from each section where you are preparing, so that will be helpful in the revision times. And the last section, that is general knowledge, it's a very important section. Here comes your geography, history, polity, sports, current affairs, all those things. So it's a vast area, you have to prepare all those things, then only you can clear. So in history itself, there are subjects called ancient history, medieval history and modern history. So what I used to do, make a timeline according to the year and make out the incidents which happened on the respective years. Who is the king, who is the dynasty, what happened in that year, all those things I just make out as a timeline. So for looking in the paper, we can see that we can make out the points very easier manner. And the geography is the part I used to study with the map working. For example, the rivers in India, the rivers are classified into Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers. So where it starts, for example Ganga, where it starts, which are the state is passing through, what are the tributaries of that, what are the dams project, what is a water regulator project, what are the dams situated. So all these things you have to make out in the map, so that once in a look you can have a better view. It will go in your mind and it will stick on your mind until you clear the examination. And for the current affairs and sports, I used to read the Pratyogita Darpan. That was one of the good magazine for the competitive examinations, and I used to refer that magazine and make out the notes from it. So this was my strategy for my examination. So guys, if you are preparing for any competitive examinations like UPSC, PSC, railway, banking sector or any other examination, Bangalore Defense Academy is the best choice for you. Why? Because the main highlight of this academy is you will get a personal attention, and once you pay the fees, it is for lifetime. If you pay once, you can go there and study until you clear the examination, until you make out your dreams comes true. So that's the main highlight of this academy. And Arun sir is he's like a he can handle lot of multi subjects, and the staffs like Sarah ma'am, who is for English, and Vinita ma'am for geography and history, and a lot of persons are there who is handling different subjects. So if you have a dream to achieve something big, go for Bangalore Defense Academy for the coaching for different examination. Have a nice day. Thank you guys.